Hey guys, welcome to our room. Let's check out the laundry. Come on in. All right, this is a massive laundry. You've got plenty of shelving here. You've got your dryer, the washer, sink, more cabinetry. You've got your back door exit right there, right into your backyard. Very traditional. As you can see, the same colour as our kitchen as well. That black and white contrast, very nice.
But from a functionality perspective, look at the bench space. For laundry, this is way better than ours.
Good for folding.
But this is what I want, which we lack.
Yeah, it's good for folding.
Now, we've got a bit of an issue with the toilet. We didn't order a black toilet, but we have a black toilet in there for now. We will be changing that. We've got a Rima mirror, a new coat basin. It's just your basic powder room. And down the hallway, come on down. We've got some artwork, a rug, the mirror. That's the bedroom 1 and bedroom 2.
I just feel sorry for the amount of work that they've got
same.
to do, you know.
Same.
I'm stressing out because my house is not clean.
Yeah.
But
there you go, there's some perspective. The boys have got a lot of work yet to do and 3 more weeks to go.
Why didn't they finish though? We had so many spaces to do this week. What did they do?
That's the hallway so far. Thanks guys.